Most people trying to lose belly fat are walking every single day and getting absolutely nowhere. They hit 8,000, even 10,000 steps, and their body doesn't change. Not because walking doesn't work, but because they're using the wrong number. And if you don't fix this, you can walk for months and still not lose belly fat. In this video, I'm going to show you how many steps you actually need to lose belly fat and why most people are stuck, even when they think they're doing everything right. The truth about step count. Let's clear this up right away. How many steps to lose belly fat is not a fixed number. That's where people get stuck. You've probably heard 10,000 steps a day, 12,000 for fat loss, even more if you want faster results. But your body doesn't care about step counts. It cares about calories, metabolism, and consistency. So instead of asking, how many steps should I walk? You should be asking, how many steps do I need to actually lose belly fat? And once you understand this, walking for fat loss becomes one of the most powerful tools you can use. Before we go further, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post new shred fat videos every week to help you burn fat faster, eat smarter, and actually see results. The 10,000 step myth. The idea of 10,000 steps per day didn't come from science. It actually started as a marketing idea. Now don't get me wrong, 10,000 steps is a solid goal, but it's not a magic number for fat loss. Some people lose weight at 7,000 steps. Others need 12,000 or more. Why? Because steps per day for fat loss depend on your body weight, your metabolism, your calorie intake, and your overall activity level. So if you've been walking every day and not losing weight, it's not because walking doesn't work. It's because your current step count isn't creating a calorie deficit. What actually burns belly fat? Let's simplify this. Fat loss comes down to one thing: burning more calories than you consume. Walking helps you do that. But here's the key. Walking for belly fat is a low-intensity strategy, which means it's easy to stick with, it's great for recovery, but it burns fewer calories per minute. So, if your goal is steps to burn belly fat, you need enough walking to actually move the needle. For most people, that means 8,000 to 12,000 steps per day for fat loss. That's the range where results start to happen. Why walking sometimes fails? But here's where it gets interesting. You can hit 12,000 steps a day and still not lose belly fat. Why? Because of something called compensation. When you increase your daily steps, your body often responds by moving less the rest of the day, increasing hunger, or lowering your energy output elsewhere. So even though your step count is higher, your total calorie burn doesn't change much. This is why people say, I'm walking every day, but I'm not losing weight. It's not that walking doesn't work, it's that your body is adapting. How to make steps actually work. So here's what actually works. Find your baseline track. How many steps you're currently getting? Most people fall somewhere between 4,000 and 6,000 steps per day. Increase gradually. Add 2,000 to 3,000 steps per day. Don't jump straight to 15,000. That's how people burn out. Pair steps with nutrition. This is the missing piece. You can't outwalk a high-calorie diet. Walking works best when combined with a slight calorie deficit, higher protein intake, consistent eating patterns. Stay consistent. Fat loss doesn't come from extreme effort. It comes from daily habits. That's why a walking routine for fat loss works so well. If this is helping you understand why fat loss feels harder than it should, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I break this down every week so you can stop guessing and start seeing results. Realistic expectations. Let's talk about results. If you're consistent with 8,000 to 12,000 steps per day, proper nutrition and patience, you can realistically expect about 0.5 to 1 pound of fat loss per week. That's sustainable. That's how you keep it off. Bringing it all together. So let's answer the question. How many steps do you actually need to lose belly fat? For most people, 8,000 to 12,000 steps per day combined with proper nutrition and consistency. But more importantly, the right number is the one that creates results for you, because fat loss isn't about hitting a perfect number. It's about building a system your body responds to. If you got value from this, Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a shred fat video. Because once you understand how fat loss actually works, everything gets easier.